Hello, we're reviewing beta version 1.0.67.1 of the Life Safety Tracker. I've come across a small issue that I had thought was a major issue, but it turns out it's not that large. It still needs to be documented. It's within the rapid data entry form. I'm just going to open it up here. I'm going to add a new area to the client here, and I'm going to add two details. Excuse me, I'm going to add, yes, two details. And call this one test 1. The same image, in this case, for side 1 and side 2. Which you can see here, side 1, side 2. And for the second one, I'm going to add different images for each side. Seen here. We're going to put in a suggested corrective action to trigger the deficiency record, which is a whole different issue, but we'll review that in another video. So we have the information we want. This is kind of from the surveyor perspective. So within the first detail, once again, we have an image in side 1 and side 2. However, it's the same image. And then in the second detail, we have an image inside 1 and a different image inside 2. So now I'm going to validate. Validation is complete. I'm going to upload the items. The list is uploaded, and I shall now upload the photos. Take a second. And the photos have been successfully uploaded. Close this form, and I do a search of the life safety records again, and I can see my new area here, 103, 105, 2 items as expected. Double click on the first item. And as we can see, the information in here is as expected. However, in the survey portion of the screen, we only have one of the 2 photos keyed in. The first photo, this is the first detail where, if you recall, we entered the same photo number twice. So, in fact, only entered in one of the photos of which had the same number. Although this appears to be almost the desired effect that we would like, the warning or some validation warning might help us avoid this error altogether. Let's move over to the second detail here, and as you can see in the second detail, both photos of which had different numbers uploaded properly. So we have side 1 and side 2, and since they were both different images, they uploaded as expected. Okay, close this form, and now we want to upload these items to rapid entry. To make this easier, I'm going to go to the drop down, do a search here, just so I have only the area we want to review. Upload the items to rapid data entry, and select the 2 as seen. So you're going to take a second here to upload, and we can see here we have side 1 photos as expected. The side 2 photo for the survey portion of the first detail, obviously since it wasn't originally uploaded, did not appear. The side 1 and side 2 photos, though, for the other detail appear as expected. Just to confirm, side 1, side 2. Now, I'm going to kind of demonstrate the same problem as we saw with the surveys with the corrective action. So I'm going to type the image number in here, 003, and then the same image number for side 2. And I will do something similar for the other image. Let's do, I believe this is, okay, that's good enough. And I will add a classified system to each one of these. Disregard that. Classified system, and now I'll close these both out. Close out button. Alright, so both of these are closed out. We have the images for side 1 and side 2 entered, side 1 and side 2 entered for both details. And I apologize, another meeting reminder. Alright, I'm now going to validate. As you can see, no warnings here, and I shall upload the marked items. List is uploaded, and we're going to upload the photos. Okay. If we go back into the form, I should be able to just click this individual detail to access what we're looking for here. And as you can see down here, only one of the photos uploaded now for the first detail. So just as we saw when we uploaded the survey photos within the corrective action, only one photo of the number is allowed per detail. If we go to the other detail that we created, 002, we can see that both the photos were uploaded. And just to confirm, we can see that the photo was properly linked to the correct before shot. So to summarize what this video is capturing is that we need some sort of method to kind of notify the user that they've keyed in the same photo for both side 1 and side 2. I think the best way to do it is through the validation method within the rapid data entry form. This would allow us to omit incorrect entries within the prior to being uploaded within the system. So, for example, side 1 and side 2, if the same numbers were entered, the validator would catch the issue here and put a stop sign to request the user to address the same issue, same side numbers. We do not want to have this restriction elsewhere, but just within the same detail. We do not want to have the same side 1 and side 2. But we do want to notify the user that they have incorrectly typed in either the wrong number or the same number 2 times within the same detail. So that concludes kind of this issue review.